I am, manifesting my YouTube channel finally. Well, it's taken a little bit of a while because, you know, from a journey from private equity fund to also running a fashion blog to modeling and acting, I think this is something that I always wanted to start so I could just share whatever I do, wherever I travel, about lifestyle, fashion, fun, crystals, healing, interiors, energy, people, everything with you guys. And you know, I think the most fortunate part for me is that I started my journey with the crystals with you guys, and I'm in a crystals shop. And more than that, actually, so I run a fashion blog. Just below, you can check out the link. It's Her Tinted Closet. And like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. So guys, I'm in Thailand and I'm at a beachy place, and I'm actually ready to party tonight. So I'm dressed up all in white, which is so cool and earthy. And I've just accessorized myself with a cool belt. It's got pearls in it and bohemian vibe with my shoes, which are really funky. The gladiators are actually my favorite. These are so comfy and stylish. I can wear them anywhere. And I've just accessorized myself a little bit with these feathery earrings, which are super cool. And just a little bit of stuff that I'm wearing, the bracelets and the ring. But the makeup is light and fresh. And what more, if I'm really out for an evening, what do I need? I can carry a funky bag which goes with the vibe. I can hold it this way and I'm ready to roll. And if I'm out in the sun, I can wear my glasses and look really chic. So are you ready to style up with me? So Christmas is right here and you can see the festivities all over. I'm in Phuket in this really cool bakery, and it has got, look at the way everything is just packed. I love this bell, oh my god, look at the packaging. And this place is called Le Desiree, and it is just absolutely fabulous. I don't want to leave. If I would be a child, I just want to hang here all day long. So guys, I'm actually in Boat Avenue in Phuket Island, and this is one of my favorite markets, like I mentioned before in a video. And you've got everything here, right from the salons to the bakery to the nail art and shopping to kiddie stuff to cafes and much more. And the villa market, everything is in this place. It's like a complete package. And also the spas. So I love coming here, and tonight is a night market. It's a Friday night and I'm going to be covering that, so that's coming for you shortly. Guys, so I'm in the night market in Phuket at Boat Avenue, and this is the Friday night market, which is just so much fun. You get to see people from all over the world because this is the holiday season and everybody's here to party and holiday. And Christmas is around the corner, so it's time for celebration. And there you go, we have everything here from antique, you know, the craft to the paintings to stools and jewelry, food, and a lot of fun. So come with me and I'm going to show you the place. Covered with wool on the slippers. Cool idea, they're so adorable. Oh, look at this!
Somebody came and took your bed. Don't worry, be happy. Till I'm gonna say your rent is late. ticket, don't worry.
Salad with some green mango. Yummy with some nice sauce. Whole section is the food section, which is yummy. I'm not a non-vegetarian anymore. I don't even eat fish, but I eat eggs, so eggetarian. But you can just find everything from octopus. Oh, you can see octopus. Yes. We can use this like this as well. Okay, cool. You can shut it. Oh, this smells so good. I could just sit and eat right now. Yummy tandoor. So yummy. Phuket night. Friday market. Kapun Kap. I like these. Okay. Mickey Mouse. Just see, it's so brightly lit up. And it's fun to see so many people. So I'm at the night market at the Boat Avenue, and it is absolutely fun to walk around and see different stalls, and it is totally cool. Cool stuff. video on Phuket Night Market and the Boat Avenue. And do subscribe, like, share this video. And let me tell you, getting to Phuket is so much easier now because there are direct flights from India, from Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore. And that just makes it so much simpler. And also, there's so many people from Sweden, Germany, Russia who've moved to this island because it's so much easy to be. There are great medical facilities, there's great education for their children, and just a great vibe like Thailand has. It's a happy land, it's a God's land, and that's what I love about this place. And more than that, I would like to know what you would like to see next so that I can bring that to you, okay? So looking forward to see you guys, and leave your comments for me, and do let me know if you liked my look.